Welcome. This is Lindsay bringing you another job lead video. I have had so many requests down in the comments for places that hire globally and provide free computer equipment. So that is what we are doing in today's video. I have 5 jobs for you. 4 of them hire globally, so there's only one of these jobs that is US only. One of the global positions does provide free computer equipment. If you have any specific requests of exactly what you are looking for, leave them down in the comments below. Daily, I search for new work from home opportunities, and I will keep my eye out for anything that you are specifically looking for. So let's just go ahead and dive on into what we have today. First up, we have the company Cointracker. They are most notably known for cryptocurrency portfolio tracking. So the company itself, you can track your cryptocurrency across multiple platforms and have it all in one location. That is what the company does. They actually have 2 positions open right now, hiring worldwide. The first position is a customer success manager, and it says that you can join the tight-knit early-stage distributed team that thrives on interesting technical challenges and building magical products that improves people's lives. At the founding customer success manager at Cointracker, you'll be trusted advisor for some of their largest customers. They want somebody who will define the strategy for their VIP concierge service and account management efforts. So in this position, you will build out a framework for providing delightful white glove experience to Cointracker clients. You will develop new and existing relationships to drive adaptation and retention of their clients and products. You will work directly with the clients to make sure you understand their goals and motivations and be able to deliver products and technical needs that suit them. You will work with their partners to understand their customers. Now, some of the skills that they would like are have a customer-first attitude. The customer is always right. And have a background in working with high net worth individuals and a passion for personal finance and investing. And they are looking for someone excited to build their own organization, loves experimenting, enjoys building partnerships, is passionate about cryptocurrency and technology. I know cryptocurrency is all the rage right now, and is productive and thrives on early startup companies. And they do want somebody who can effectively work in a remote setting, so from home, and able to overlap with their core business hours of 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. PT. The second position Cointracker has open is for a product support specialist. So a product support specialist just helps with the clients and customer support. They are looking for someone who loves writing, is of course passionate about cryptocurrency and technology, likes explaining complex topics to people in a simple way, so more like a teacher approach, can empathize with users and quickly grasp the issues that they're facing, understand their problems so that you can help them fix it. You want to be able to turn your customer pain points into product feedback in a productive way. And they want someone who constantly loves learning because the world of cryptocurrency is always changing. Again, they want someone who can work between their core hours of 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And they're looking for someone with proficient written communication in English, empathetic, and help solve their customers' pain points again. And they're looking for someone who's excited about fast-paced environment. So it says you'll have to answer technical customer inquiries via email. So it's not a phone position, it is email. And generate high-quality educational resources, work collaboratively with their product team. They want you to be able to close an average of 250 support tickets a week while maintaining 80% happiness rate among the customers. And they want you to expand your knowledge base on cryptocurrency and the company on a weekly basis. Next up, we have Head of Payroll and Benefits. And again, this one is hiring anywhere in the world, so globally. And so they are looking for someone who will oversee all employee payments, compliance, and benefits implementation, The role is centered around helping their team meet their hiring goals and feel that they are taken care of on a rapid scale. And so this position reports to the head of finance. So it is a financial HR type position. And it says your responsibilities will be the go-to person for employment related questions from the team. You'll determine based on guidelines that they give you the right arrangements for new employees and contractors, and then you'll create and send out contracts to those employees and contractors. You'll develop and document benefit policies for things like relocations, parental leave, employee classification, and anything else, and ensure payroll runs smoothly. So this is more of an HR managing employees and payroll position. For qualifications, they ask that you have a solid understanding of international employment matters, contracting arrangements, and compliance in both a legal and operational perspective, that you work with people in an HR team and develop benefits offerings would be a plus, but is not required. They like that you have excellent judgment skills and are able to deal with challenging situations, and that you enjoy helping others problem solve, and that you are organized and have strong written and verbal communication skills. They also want someone who is interested in building a global social safety net on the internet and who can think for themselves and include others. Now, as far as what they offer, not only do they offer competitive salary, they do offer benefits including health insurance, paid family leave, but they offer a laptop, a free laptop. They will provide you computer equipment. They also offer personal development so you can continue to grow in your career and develop further. This position is fully remote anywhere in the world. You will have to attend regular team gatherings around the world. I don't know that you have to, but I think they offer regular team gatherings around the world if that's something you are interested in, networking with people and getting to know people and advance your career. Now, this next position is the only position in this video that is for my US-based people only, and this is for a client activation coordinator for the company FanMaker. So a little bit about FanMaker. They build loyalty apps and websites around professional sports teams. So their clients are part of like the NCAA, NFL, the Major League Baseball team, the National Hockey League, and they were founded 15 years ago. So they have been around for a little while. They are not quite a startup anymore. And so the key responsibilities of this role are they want someone to manage the onboarding process for each new customer that is assigned to you, troubleshoot client issues as they're identified, and be able to work proactively to offer solutions for those issues, possess a comprehensive understanding of the platform, and of course respond to client help requests in a timely manner. You would also be promoting expansion of their software and services and helping build, maintain, and grow relationships with the decision makers of those services and clients. And so they want you to provide critical insights to the development team as you come across them. Now, some of the qualifications is that you have experience in customer service or account management. You have excellent presentation skills, including strong verbal and written communication skills, that you are well organized and adaptable to fast-paced environment and change, the ability to work independently but also contribute as part of a team, and enjoy empowering users with the knowledge to do things for themselves in the future, not just fixing it for them. So they want someone who is more of a teacher and a leader. Now, they do pay fairly well for this position. The total compensation package is worth $56,244. $45,000 of that is your salary or money that you get paid. $200 a month of that is for your health insurance premium reimbursement. So they help pay for health insurance. $300 a month is for a HSA contribution, and then they do provide $435 a month towards any student loans if you have those, which is always a plus to be able to help pay those off and get those out of your life. And this is 100% remote. So this next position is with Livingston Research. They are looking for freelance writers. And so the way they work is a little bit different than corporate jobs hiring full-time. You can do this full-time or you can do this part-time. You are literally signing up to their website to be a freelance writer. And I believe this is more of the gig economy where you pick up jobs, you decide which writing jobs you want to take, you apply for them, you pick them up, and you take on those writing jobs. So I will leave both the job description and their main website linked down below. This is their main website. It just says that they have competitive compensation from $3 to $18 an hour per hour of work plus bonuses on top of that. I'm really hoping they pay $18 an hour, and this may again depend on what country you're in since this is international global. They do offer a flexible schedule. You decide when and how much you want to write. So this is one of those you just sign on and work at your convenience. So it's great part-time for those of you that already have a full-time job and is just interested in like writing articles on the side. They do pay in different payment methods, Payoneer, wire transfer, or the Skrill. And so it kind of says the application process is that you apply on their website and put in your details. You have to take a language test and pass that. And then you choose a subject that you have experience in and you take a test on that and you complete a short sample task. Then they give you access to all the tasks and you start picking up tasks, writing the articles, and then turning in the articles and getting paid for them. Hopping on over to the actual job thing. They say for the task gig economy that they do have competitive compensation. And it does say you can earn up to 25% bonus for every order that you complete. And salary is paid twice a month. Again, flexible schedule. They do want excellent written English skills. All right, and our fifth and final company is for Style Alert, and they are looking for an online personal stylist. Again, hiring anywhere in the world, so they are hiring globally as well. And so this is more for people who are fashionistas, you like fashion resale. It says they're a venture-backed fashion tech company that eliminates the addiction to fast fashion and waste by sourcing the best pre-owned designer items and delivering them to customers in a curated way. This kind of sounds like they run a website similar to ThreadUp, which is a big popular one in the US. So it says, how does it work? When a personal stylist finds a unique piece a customer may like, they text the customer, and the customer can respond with a buy or pass and give feedback and make specific requests. So this is almost like you are a personal shopper. You are given a customer profile and what they like, and you go out on the internet, you're searching for pieces for them to buy, and when you find something that you think they would like, you text it to them. So this is not phone-based. And then once they confirm their order via text, the items are shipped directly to the customer. They are looking for personal stylists from around the world, and they want someone who can work remotely from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And it says the ideal candidate will have personal styling experience, tech savvy, and have a strong fashion sense and great brand awareness. Some specific things you'll do is use the platform to personally style a list of dedicated customers that are assigned to you. You'll achieve and maintain various styling performance metrics. You'll stay up to date on current fashion trends, and you can host short closet consultations, Zoom calls. So they do want someone who can think critically about their existing customer styling practices and also help offer suggestions on how to improve them. Some of the tools they use are their styling platform and then Slack, Zoom, and Upwork. So if you're familiar with any of these platforms, that would be a plus. Now, it does say part of the requirements is that you have either personal styling experience or retail sales experience with women's fashion. So if you've ever worked in a retail store like JCPenney's is one in the United States, clothing store, stores. I don't know what clothing stores are around worldwide. You do need excellent verbal and text communication skills, strong sense of designer brands, and they do ask that you are able to work at least 20 hours a week, which is part-time, up to 40 hours a week. It does request that you have your own computer. This job does not provide computer equipment for you. If you are still with me at this point in the video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please make sure, if you have not already, that you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on, as I post daily job leads and I am always searching for things that are left in the comments that people are actively wanting. So globally, computer equipment provided, part-time. You put your request down in the comments and I will do my best to find something that fits you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.